Here are some subtraction strategies that you can use with your child using the part-part-whole strategy and the number line strategy. Using a part-part-whole mat to subtract one-digit number from another one-digit number, the student is then giving a part-part-whole mat. You notice that the whole number is 7 at the top of the mat. The student will then be asked to take their counters and place them onto the mat, showing the taking away of the minuend from the whole number. 1, 2, 3. The student will then be asked to put the remainder of the counters onto the mat until they reach the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that I went ahead and I started to count with the number 1 instead of continuing to count with the number 4. This lets the student know that 7 minus 3 counters equals 4 counters. So 7 minus 3 equals 4. Here is an example of a subtraction problem using a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. The student will be asked what is the whole, and the student will know that the whole is the number 11. The student will be asked to take the counters and put them on top of the other counters on the card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 11 minus 7 equals what? We will then add on the rest of the counters. 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 minus 7 equals 4. We know this because we added 4 more counters to our mat to make 11. 11 minus 7 equals 4. Here's another strategy showing how to teaching students to use subtraction with a number line. Using a number line from 0 to 10, the student is then giving a subtraction sentence. I'm going to use the subtraction sentence 9 minus 3 equals the unknown number. So knowing we're starting out with the whole 9, we're going to start with the number 9, and not like addition, unlike addition, we're going to go backwards instead of forward with subtraction. So I'm going to start at my number 9, and I'm going to jump back 3 spots. 1, 2, 3. So my whole number is 9, and I am subtracting 3. I'm jumping over 3 spaces. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. Here's another example of subtraction using a number line, only this time we're going to use a 2-digit number to subtract a 1-digit number. So I'm going to give the student 10 minus 7 as my subtraction sentence. So we're going to start out with the whole, which is 10, and we're going to work our way backwards on the number line. We're going to subtract 7. So we're going to make 7 jumps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we ended up on the number 3. So now we know that 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. You can find the part-part-whole mat and the number lines on the website www.teacherspayteachers.com, or you can create these mats on your own at home just with a simple piece of paper and a pen.